In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive from Windows 11. Let's jump straight in and start by opening OneDrive in File Explorer. Click File Explorer on the Windows taskbar. In the left navigation pane, click OneDrive or OneDrive-Personal, depending on what shows up for you. Confirm the file list shows your sample file. In this walkthrough, the file is called OneDrive Removal Demo.txt. Now we need to make the OneDrive files available on this PC so you don't lose anything. Right-click the sample file in the OneDrive file list, which again is OneDrive Removal Demo.txt. From the OneDrive context menu, click Always Keep on this device. Wait until the status icon beside the file shows a green check mark. This can take a moment, so we'll skip ahead while it finishes. Repeat this same right-click action for every important OneDrive folder before continuing, so all of your data is safely stored locally. Next, let's open OneDrive settings from the notification area. Look in the lower right corner of your screen. If the OneDrive cloud icon is not already visible, click Show Hidden Icons to reveal it. Then click the OneDrive cloud icon. In the top right corner of the OneDrive panel, click the Help and Settings gear icon. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Now we'll stop OneDrive folder backup if it's active. On the left side of the OneDrive settings window, click Sync and Backup. In the Backup Important PC folder section, click Manage Backup. If Desktop Documents or Pictures has backup turned on, click that folder's toggle to turn it off. A confirmation window will appear, so click Stop Backup. In the Keep Files choice, click Keep Files Only on my PC. If the button instead says Only on my PC, click that button. Then click Continue. Repeat the same toggle off choice for any other backed up folder. When each folder is either off or already marked as not backed up, close the Manage Backup window. Now let's unlink this Windows 11 or 10 PC from OneDrive. On the left side of the OneDrive settings window, click Account. Inside the Account tab, click Unlink this PC. A confirmation window will pop up, so click Unlink Account. Wait until OneDrive shows a Sign In or Setup window, which confirms this PC is no longer linked. Next, we'll uninstall Microsoft OneDrive from Windows 11 or 10. Click Start on the Windows taskbar. Type Add or Remove Programs into the search field. Under Best Match, click Add or Remove Programs. Near the top of Installed Apps, click the Search Apps box. Now type OneDrive in lowercase letters, so the list filters down. On the Microsoft OneDrive row, click the More Options three-dot menu on the right side. From the menu, click Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will appear, so click Uninstall again. If User Account Control appears asking for permission, click Yes, or enter the administrator password for the PC. Wait until the Microsoft OneDrive row disappears from the installed apps results. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Lastly, we'll verify OneDrive is fully removed. Keep the installed apps search filtered for OneDrive and confirm Microsoft OneDrive no longer appears in the list. Then go back to the lower right notification area and click Show Hidden Icons. Confirm the OneDrive cloud icon is gone. Click File Explorer on the Windows taskbar. If a leftover OneDrive folder still appears in File Explorer, confirm it is no longer showing active sync status icons and simply leave it in place for now. At this point, Microsoft OneDrive is unlinked from the Windows 11 PC, folder backup is turned off, and the OneDrive desktop app no longer appears in Installed Apps or the notification area. Any files you kept on the device remain local, while cloud copies are still available by signing in at OneDrive on the web. Congratulations, you've successfully removed OneDrive from Windows 11.